So there you go. This is like find your dream home with Abdullah Realtor. And as a real estate agent, this is the baseline website funnel that they have formed. As you can see, it is a beautiful one. We are going to see what is the Gohighlevel Funnel AI. And basically, this is a service via which automatically you can get your funnel built. You just put some of the information it asks, what kind of industry that you want the funnel to be, what kind of funnel that you want, and it is going to build the funnel for you right away. Let us just jump quickly right away into the funnel construction. And here it is within the sites. Here it is on the funnel. You just click on the new funnel and there you see funnel AI. That's it. Like you just select the funnel AI and you just click on the continue. And by the way, guys, like before proceeding, let me just tell you quickly, you can help us by putting our code AI employee within the AI employee, our code AI bonuses. And what we are going to do, we are going to give you the best possible bonus. It won't even take for you 10 seconds to do that. Just go to the settings, just click on AI employee, click on manage offer, and just put within the FP reference AI bonuses. So we are going to give you 127 exclusive snapshots which are valued more than $10,000. What kind of snapshots we are talking? The coaching snapshot, the community snapshot, the AI agency snapshot, all the white label onboarding videos that those snapshots have, and any kind of 127 snapshot you can imagine. But not just that, even your first AI employee client onboarded, we are going to ensure that we do the onboarding. So just take your 10 seconds of time, just go to the settings and put AI bonuses. I've even made a quick video for you guys just before we start building the funnel. Just watch the funnel, just watch the quick video for this AI employee thing. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, founder and CEO of Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. I have been associated with Gohighlevel from the past 4 years. As an independent affiliate, I've done interviews of the CEO, Sean Clark, the co-founder, Varun Varavan, super amazing people. It is available on my YouTube channel. Right now, talking about the AI employee, one of the most disruptive revolution that they have built, the AI employee, especially with the coming AI wave. Now, what I've realized is that the people who are going to be using the AI employee have certain hiccups with them. That number one, like how do I understand this AI employee? Probably the ins and outs of individual functionalities and the setup. Then, even if I land the client, how will I onboard the client? First, I'll need to learn the functionality. And then, how do I scale this to the new height? So, we have crafted this super amazing free bonuses for you. Number one, the AI employee course that we are working on, you're going to get it, which will just ease up the process. How do you understand AI employee? The next is one-to-one personal onboarding of your first AI employee client that you land up. So all you have to focus on is get the client, not how do you onboard it. We are going to assign this Gohighlevel expert who will do the one-to-one personal onboarding for you. The third one is the white labeled AI employee video where you just plug in and all your sub accounts will be able to use and onboard the AI employee. Isn't that amazing? Now, how do you get it? It will be very easy and it won't cost you anything. All you have to do is just go to the AI employee and put our referral code AI bonuses, AIBONUSES. How do you get it? Like, where do you put it? Go to the settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and just put in the bonus within the FP reference field, AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and click apply. Now, does that mean you'll be charged because now you have put the referral code? No, it doesn't mean anything. Like, you would not be charged at all. Whenever you'll be using the AI employee in the future, then you will be charged, your client will be charged in the future. That means anytime in the coming time, and that too, like, you'll be making the profit because you'll be only charged when the client activates. And when the client activates, of course, they will be overcharged. They will be charged much more, and the difference will be your profit. So in the future, when you are actually using, then you'll be charged. So this referral code that you put, you would not be charged, and you will be eligible to get the bonuses. So I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching it, and bye-bye. Now you have watched the video, let us just quickly jump and build the funnel. And here it is, like starting with the funnel. Let's say what kind of funnel that you want to build. Let's say in this case, you can choose any kind of industry. You want to choose the marketing, right? Here it is, the marketing agency, internet marketing services. Let's say I want to build a real estate, right? So I just type in real estate. So as you can see, even within the real estate agent, real estate agency, appraiser, attorney, let's say real estate agent I just choose. And I just choose, okay, Abdullah Realtor, and I click on next. And as you can see, 5 of the funnels are free to create, right? And I'm going to tell you about the charges also. What is the goal? Business to generate more leads, get more appointments. Let's say get more appointments. And then what kind of content? Friendly, inspiration, professional, let's say humorous, right? and I click on generate. Now we'll wait, and as promised, less than 1 minute, under 1 minute, everything is created and your funnel is ready for you. As far as the charges are concerned, for the first 5 it is free, and after that every funnel costs 99 cents. But for the AI employee unlimited, which costs $97 per month, for the Gohighlevel takes that. But you as an agency, let's say upsell price you have put $197, so your client would be charged $197. 97 would be your profit, sorry, $100 would be your profit, 97 would be Gohighlevel's, goes to the Gohighlevel, and they can use unlimited AI employee. That means all the Gohighlevel voice AI agent, conversation AI, and this funnel AI, unlimited number of funnels they want to generate, everything becomes unlimited just by that price. Base price is $97 per month, which Gohighlevel charges. And as I said, as an agency, you can just put any amount that you want, and your client would be charged for that, and you would be paying only the amount. This one is just like something went wrong because I think there was some internet connection. Let me just put it again. Abdullah Realtor, a real estate agent. Let's say book more appointment. Let's say humorous. So there you go. This is like find your dream home with Abdullah Realtor. And as a real estate agent, this is the baseline website funnel that they have formed. As you can see, it is a beautiful one. So you want to update some of the images. I would personally keep these images, like these are amazing ones. I want to change certain words. Yes, you can change certain words. Some of the services that you're offering, you can change, right? Testimonials, you want to change to some other people's photos and stuff. And then the real testimonials, you want to share the frequently asked questions, you want to update right from here. So all these things are pre-done for you, and everything has just been created by the funnel AI. And similarly, all the niches that we just saw, like any kind of niches are possible. And find your dream home here, the moment somebody clicks, so what kind of things are going to open, and like the rest of the things you can just edit it as per your usage. Otherwise, the baseline funnel, a beautiful funnel, has been already formed. So that's the case, guys, for the funnel AI. I hope that you found the information helpful. And again, guys, I would really appreciate if you found the help and you go out and put our code AI bonuses into the AI employee and get all the bonuses. Like just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzaid.com. After you have done it, we are going to ensure that we send you right away all the details. Thank you. All the bonuses.